What's up YouTube? I'm John Wheels, and today we're going to be turning this old railroad track into an anvil. Alright, so I got this little piece of cherry, and what I did is I actually cut it at an angle because this railroad track, I don't know if it was just the way it was made or whenever the previous owner was using a torch to cut it out, it warped or something, but it wasn't flat. But by me doing this and angling the wood, I'm compensating for that and making the top here flat. So we're going to go ahead and bolt it down. finished product. You get the nice railroad track anvil, got a nice horn made on here compared to those old torch cut ones. A nice smooth curve on the back, same thing on the front. Got it lag bolted down to this cherry stump, so it's a nice little portable anvil. You know, it's solid enough where you can hammer on it, but it's light enough where it's easy enough to move around. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below.